Welcome back to the data structure series. Previously, we discovered what the linked list was and why we would ever want to use one instead of just an array. Today, we are going to build out the framework needed for our linked list to work properly in C++. Before we can learn how to insert and delete a node in our list, we first need to create two classes that will make up our linked list data structure. The first is the two classes is called node. Think of a node as an individual box that make up a larger linked list. Each node will store two things, the data and the pointer to the next node in the list. In our implementation, each node will store an integer value and the pointer to the next node. We'll name that pointer next, just for the simplicity sake. When we instantiate a new node, we set the member value and the next pointer to use in the node constructor. If there any next node, the next pointer will just point to a new pointer. Great. Now that we understand the node, let's take a look at the linked list class. Remember how each node contains the data. What does the linked list class actually do? It doesn't store any data. Instead, it points to the first node in our list, which the member will call as a head pointer. It also keeps track of the current length of our list. When we instantiate a new linked list object, the constructor will kick in and the set distinct list is to be empty. Since there are no nodes in our list yet, the head pointer will point to a new pointer. We also initialize the length to 0. Now for the destructor, because we are using a dynamic memory to store our linked list, we need to delete each node that we create with the new. What happens is we don't delete this node. Our program will have a memory leak. Our destructor fixes this problem because it walks through the linked list one node at a time, deleting as it goes. With that a lot to take in. Don't worry if you didn't get it all. As you watch this video about linked list, things will start to click. We haven't inserted any node into our list yet. We simply create a backbone every linked list needs before we can do stuff like insertion, deletion, and even searching. In the next episode, we will create our very first node and learn how to insert it at the beginning of our linked list. Happy coding!